love to learn, here are 3 more advanced words. Terrifying. Replace very scary. Example, the movie was terrifying. Furious. Replace very angry. Example, he was furious at the mistake. Brilliant. Replace very smart. Example, she's brilliant. These words will help you sound more professional and natural. Which one is your favorite so far? Now for the final 4 words. Fascinating. Replace very interesting. Example, the book was fascinating. Rapid. Replace very fast. Example, the train was rapid. Horrendous. Replace very bad. Example, the weather was horrendous. Delicious. Replace very tasty. Example, the food was delicious. Start practicing these words today, and you'll sound more fluent in no time. Which word did you use first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends to help them improve their English too. See you next time. Subscribe for more English tips.